Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram save audio or music not working or not appearing problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap on Instagram application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. You make sure your Instagram application is up to date. Step 3. Again open your phone setting. Go to Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram save audio or music not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.